2 minutes to go for lecture. I hope I'm clearly audible. My slides are clearly viewable to you. Dear friends, before I forget, let me tell you, tomorrow there is BK test for 40 marks, 30 minutes between 12 to 1. And before any problem arises, let me inform you that due to the rains over there, my internet as well as Wi-Fi network is coming and going. So if at all in between, if we face some problem, एक दो बार हम refresh करके देखेंगे, because there is continuous disturbance of network at my end today. Okay, it's lecture time. If you remember, in our yesterday's lecture, we started with a discussion of the chapter called as Forms of Market. In that, we very clearly said that market, commerce में बोला जाता है, market is a place where buying and selling is undertaken. Market is a place where buying and selling is undertaken. However, economics says market is an arrangement. Market is an arrangement through which buyers and sellers will connect with each other and buying and selling will be undertaken. So today, yesterday also we have studied various classifications of types of market, right? जैसे we studied local market, regional market, national market, and international market. After that, we studied very short period market, long period market, short period, and very long period market. And after that, we studied wholesale market and retail market. Today, we are going to study types of market on the basis of competition. We are going to study types of market on the basis of competition. अगर उस market में अगर एक single seller है, if there is a single seller into that market, it is called monopoly. If the market has single seller, it is called monopoly. If it has two sellers, it will be called as duopoly. If it has few sellers, it is called oligopoly. If it has some sellers, sufficiently large sellers, it is called monopolistic competition. And very large number of sellers, it would be called as perfect competition. तो आज हम इसके अंदर सबसे पहला मार्केट जो है उसको स्टडी करेंगे, परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, और उसके बाद में दूसरा मार्केट अगर टाइम परमिट करेगा तो करते हैं. So today's lecture we are going to study The first type of market called as perfect competition. उसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग मैं बता रहा हूँ, बाद में आपको डिक्टेट करूंगा वो सिंप्लीफाइड मीनिंग लिखना. It is a market situation in which the competition among buyer and seller is perfect and only one single price prevails for one commodity. ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मीनिंग है उसका. उसका सिंपल मीनिंग लिख के लो. Perfect competition refers to, लिखो simple meaning. Perfect competition refers to the market structure in which there are large number of buyers and sellers, dealing in homogeneous product, ओके. तो ये जो मार्केट है,
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC, कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
I'm again repeating it. Perfect competition perfect competition refers to the market structure in which there are large number of buyers and sellers dealing in homogeneous product. अभी let's describe फीचर्स. उस फीचर्स में उसका मीनिंग डिस्क्राइब हो जाएगा. द फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट competition. There are 10 features what I'm going to describe. The first feature, large number of sellers. In perfect competitive market, the number of sellers are very large. There are large number of sellers. और ये sellers इतने large है that a single seller's supply is small part of market supply. और ये इतने large number of sellers है अपने पास कि एक सिंगल सेलर मार्केट को इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर सकता है. A single seller cannot influence the market. A single seller cannot influence the market. The market can be influenced by all the sellers, not single seller. सिंगल सेलर कैन नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस, क्यों? तो उसका जो सप्लाई है, सिंगल सेलर का जो सप्लाई है, वो मार्केट के सारे सेलर्स के कंपैरिजन में एक छोटा सा फ्रैक्शन है. ही कैन नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द मार्केट. दैट इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट, फर्स्ट फीचर ऑफ दिस मार्केट. Large number of sellers. यहाँ पे एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात देखो, that in this market every seller is a price taker. In a perfect competitive market, every seller is a price taker. What does that mean? It means that the seller cannot decide the price. वो प्राइस डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता है, इसके लिए वो प्राइस मेकर नहीं है. ही इज नॉट द प्राइस मेकर, ही इज द प्राइस टेकर. मतलब सेलर वही प्राइस एक्सेप्ट करेगा जो मार्केट में डिसाइड हुआ है. द सेलर कैन नॉट डिसाइड द प्राइस by his own. Therefore, he is not a price maker, but he has to accept the price which is decided by the market. Therefore, he is a price taker and not price maker. Is that okay? Now, second feature. Large number of buyers. In a perfect competitive market, the number of buyers are also very large. They are very large in number. The buyers are very large in number. And the demand by a buyer, individual buyer, is equal to a small fraction of total market demand. मार्केट डिमांड का एक छोटा सा पार्ट है इंडिविजुअल बायर का डिमांड. थर्ड फीचर, द थर्ड फीचर इज homogeneous product. In a perfect competitive market, so the third feature of this market is homogeneous product. In a perfect competitive market, the products are homogeneous. Homogeneous बोल दिया मतलब यूनिफॉर्म प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं उसको. The products are uniform, or some people also call it as identical. The products are identical, that is, they are same in size, same in shape, same in color, same in flavor, same in packing, etc. etc. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपने पास जो मिल्क पैकेट्स आते हैं, आइदर इट मे बी अ प्लास्टिक पैकेट और दिस टाइप ऑफ टेट्रा पैक्स, सेम रहेंगे, सेम इन साइज, शेप. डिस्कसिंग दैट देयर homogeneous product. In a perfect competitive market, the products are homogeneous, or is my screen visible to you? Homogeneous product. I said the products are uniform, that is identical, same size, same shape, same flavor, same color, etc. etc. Just I gave you example of milk packets, some fruits, apples, grapes, strawberries, etc. Size, shape, color almost same होते हैं. तो ये तीन फीचर्स हुए. इसके पहला फीचर हमने क्या स्टडी किया था? What was the first feature? Large number of buyers, large number of sellers, homogeneous product. ये तीनों फीचर हमने स्टडी किए थे उसके मीनिंग के अंदर ओके फीचर है फ्री एंट्री एंड एग्जिट। फ्री एंट्री एंड एग्जिट मतलब मेरे यहाँ से नेटवर्क बार बार आ रहा है जा रहा है, so I'm discontinuing the lecture today. Sorry for the inconvenience. Enjoy the rains. ग्लेन सेंथ में और जा टेरेस पे जाके बैठ।